You work for a company, you get money from a paycheck, and bang, a percentage of that money has been taken out of your account. You're like, what the f***? What is that? Bro, you've just been taxed. Tax is basically a percentage of money that's taken out from your paycheck every month for government services and for the government in general. Honest, not a lot of people actually know what taxes are. So I'm here to tell you in the most simplest way possible and in under 10 minutes if I can. Hey guys, this is editing Jake. As you can see, I'm editing a video and I just want to put some B-roll Rocket League because I realized how boring this explanation is without the B-roll. So enjoy the Rocket League Insane Supersonic gameplay. Bye. So, taxes are compulsory financial charges imposed by the government on individuals, businesses, or other entities to fund public expenditures or government functions. Alright, let me be honest. I'm reading off a thing that I made, right? Don't take me off this. This ain't from my mind, so fuck you if you think that I'm dumb, yeah? Anyway, these funds are used to support various public services like NHS, everything that you pay for the government. But little do you know, that's a bit of a lie. But in reality, you pay the government for public services, infrastructure, and their gain. I'll get onto it later. Now, public services can mean education, healthcare, defense like the army, or it also developments and social welfare programs. Here's a basic explanation of how taxes work. So there's 10 points I'm going to talk to you about today, real simple. So the first one is taxation authority. Taxation authority is basically the government at various levels. That can mean local, state, or national. Have the authority to collect taxes. Taxation is the key source of revenue for the government. Let me say that again. Taxes are the main source of revenue for a bloody government. Do you get it? A percentage of the money you gain is for the government, and you don't do shit. Anyway, so that's the taxation authority. Basically, no matter what you do, you're gonna give the government money for their gain. Simple. Even if they give you this infrastructure, healthcare, they're always making a profit. Listen, they have to make a profit. Now, second one is taxpayers. So, individuals, businesses, and other entities that earn income or engage in economic activities are generally subjected to taxation. We are all taxpayers. Once you make a certain amount of money, you become a taxpayer unless you become very rich. We have 7 types of taxes, right? First one, income tax. Basically, tax on the earned income of an individual or business. Business make money, you make money. Percentage of how much you make, you cut off and sent to the government, no matter what you do. Yeah. Anyway, second one is corporate tax. This is for businesses. You get taxed on profits. When you have a business, you get taxed on your profits. Only for businesses. If you're an individual who gets paid by payroll from a company, you will not suffice to a corporate tax. Next is a sales tax / VAT. That's tax on sales, goods and services. How does that work? Let's say you want to go buy a laptop. Let's say you're going to go Curry's PC and you want to buy something laptop. Boom, the laptop's £1,000. Let's say the tax, the sales tax in that area is 7%. 7% of 1,000 is £70. So you'll be given the 1,000 for the laptop plus the £70 through sales tax. You'll be paying £1,070 in total. That's why they say this, including tax, is this much. Now that's why they say that, because tax is included. That's sales tax. Next is property tax. Property tax is a tax on the value of property owned by the individual or business. So a value of property, it gets taxed. Everything gets taxed. Next is custom duties. So tax on goods imported or exported out of the country, right? So if you want to send, I don't know, some goods over to America from London, you're gonna have to pay customs duties. For example, if you want to go sell a box of Jordans, you're gonna have to pay that tax. Now, next is excise tax. Tax on specific goods such as alcohol, Tabasco, or gasoline. This could also be given to the Coca-Cola, where they tax sugar. That could also be another example. Now, the final tax is payroll tax. That's tax on wages, salaries, often to fund social securities and healthcare programs. Now, let me say this once. People pay more taxes than others. Some people might only pay income and payroll tax. Some people might pay sales. Some people might pay income tax, payroll tax, excise tax every now and again, sales tax. You might come across different types of taxes in your day-to-day life. You might want to buy something, you're going to come across sales tax. It's just how the world is. Now, on to our third point, which is taxable income. So, in case of the income tax, taxpayers are required to report their income to the tax authorities. Taxable income is the amount on which the tax is calculated. Deductions and credits may be applied to reduce taxable income. Now, this is a simple explanation, so I'm not going to go further into that. Hopefully you understand. Now, next is tax rates. The government sets a tax rate. Yeah? You don't set tax rates. The fucking people don't set tax rates. The government set tax rates. Now, these percentages are applied to a taxable base to determine the amount of tax owed. Progressive tax systems have higher rates for higher incomes, while regressive systems may have a flat rate for all income levels. Now, if you live in London, we'll go into the first point where there'll be higher rates for higher incomes. So, that's just how it is, right? Anyway, next is tax deductions and credits. Taxpayers may be eligible for deductions or credits that reduce their tax liability. Simple. So, deductions are expenses that could be subtracted from taxable income, while credits that really reduce the amount of tax owed. This could be assets. Simple, right? Alright, cool. Next is tax filing. Tax filing is where taxpayers typically file annual tax returns, reporting their income and claiming any eligible deductions or credits. The tax return is used to calculate the final tax liability. Yeah? You got that? Hope you did, because if not, you're a dumb piece of shit. I'm sorry, I'm just saying. Anyway, next is tax collection. Governments use various methods to collect taxes, including payrolling, withholding, direct payments and deductions at the source. Non-compliance with tax laws can result in penalties and legal consequences. Basically, if you don't pay your taxes, you're fucked. What do you want? What else do you want me to say? You're fucked. Anyway, boom. I've explained basically on the simplest terms how taxes work. Now, is there problems with taxes? Yes. Is the government being exploited for what they're using for taxes? Yes. Does the government use this for stupid shit? Yes, like that fucking bus thing that they've now cancelled. Overall, taxes play a crucial role in supporting the government for them doing stupid shit, yeah? But you know what? Can't complain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. It's good that you learned this stuff. They won't teach you this shit in school, so learn it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be the Menez. Love you.